What if I told you the most powerful man on YouTube didn't win because of luck, money, or talent? MrBeast didn't just crack YouTube. He reverse-engineered human attention. And today, we're revealing the unknown secrets behind how MrBeast really built the most watched empire in internet history. Stay till the end, because the final truth changes how you see success forever. Before fame, before money, Jimmy Donaldson was obsessed. While others uploaded videos, he spent thousands of hours studying analytics. He paused videos frame by frame. He analyzed why people clicked, why they left, and why they stayed. He didn't ask, how do I make a good video? He asked, what makes humans stop scrolling? MrBeast learned one brutal truth. YouTube doesn't reward creators. It rewards retention. That's why his videos start fast, cut relentlessly, and never give your brain time to breathe. Here's something most people don't know. In his early years, MrBeast worked 12-16 hours a day. No parties, no vacations, no balance. Friends moved on. Life passed by. While others were living, he was experimenting. Most people want success and comfort. MrBeast chose success first, knowing comfort might never come. That level of obsession is rare and dangerous. MrBeast videos aren't random. They are emotion machines. Every video includes curiosity, tension, hope, reward. Whether it's surviving 100 days, giving away a house, or saving lives. The viewer feels something every 5 to 10 seconds. That's not accidental. Jimmy once said, if you're bored for 1 second, you leave. So he designs videos to fight boredom like a war. Here's a shocking fact. MrBeast reinvests almost all his money back into videos. He could be far richer personally. Instead, he chooses scale. Money to him isn't wealth, it's fuel. Every dollar buys bigger stakes, stronger emotions, higher retention. That's why his videos keep growing. Most creators ask, how much can I keep? MrBeast asks, how much can I risk? MrBeast is no longer one person. He's a system. Editors, idea teams, thumbnail psychologists, retention experts. Everything is tested. Thumbnails are A/B tested. Titles are rewritten dozens of times. Ideas are ranked by performance probability. This isn't art anymore. It's engineering at a human level. And that's why copying MrBeast rarely works. You see the surface, but not the machine underneath. Why does MrBeast work everywhere? Because he removed language barriers, cultural complexity, politics. His videos rely on survival money, kindness, curiosity. These are universal human triggers. A child in India, a farmer in Africa, or a student in Europe all understand the same story. MrBeast didn't build an American channel. He built a pan-human channel. But here's the truth no one likes to talk about. Extreme success has a cost. Pressure, burnout, mental exhaustion. MrBeast has openly talked about stress, health struggles, and the weight of expectations. When millions expect perfection, failure isn't allowed. Success at this level isn't freedom, it's responsibility on a global scale. Here's the biggest revelation. MrBeast didn't win because he was gifted. He won because he obsessed longer, studied deeper, quit nothing. He treated YouTube like a profession before it paid like one. And that's the lesson. Success doesn't reward motivation. It rewards commitment under boredom. MrBeast didn't become the most watched human on earth by accident. He became it by design. If this changed how you see success, subscribe. If you want more deep truths about powerful people, like this video. And comment below, was it obsession or strategy?